Welcome back to Course Compass. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tech courses on Udemy you should absolutely try if you want to upgrade your skills in 2026. And the best part? Every course on this list is beginner-friendly, super practical, and can literally help you build real projects this month. Screen recordings of each Udemy course page will pop up as we go, and if you want to check out any of them, the links are all in the description. Using my link supports the channel at no extra cost. Kicking off with one of Udemy's most legendary courses, the Web Developer Bootcamp by Colt Steele. If you've ever wanted to learn web development from scratch, this is the gold standard. What it teaches: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, Express, Apis, and a ton of real-world projects. Who it's ideal for: total beginners, aspiring freelancers, or anyone who wants a complete introduction. Why it stands out: Colt is incredibly clear, funny, and the course is updated almost every year. Plus, you build real apps, not fake demo projects. Length: around 60 hours of content, but you can start building in week 1. What you'll achieve: you'll be able to build full-stack web apps, create your own portfolio, and even start taking freelance gigs. Beginner-friendly, full-stack projects, best for web dev starters. Links are below if you want to try it. Next up, a fan favourite, Python for Beginners by Jose Portilla. This is hands down the smoothest intro to Python you'll find on Udemy. What it teaches: Python basics, functions, loops, data structures, automation, error handling. Who it's ideal for: beginners, students, and anyone transitioning into tech. Why it stands out: Jose has taught millions of students. His teaching style is calm, clear, and super structured. Length: about 12 to 15 hours, depending on the version you choose. What you'll achieve: you'll understand Python fundamentals well enough to move into data science, machine learning, or automation. Easy to follow, great for tech beginners, Python fundamentals. If you learn by doing, this is the perfect course. 50 projects in 50 days. Brad Traversy guides you through building UI components, mini apps, and interactive designs. One project every day. What it teaches: real front-end skills through hands-on projects, sliders, forms, animations, widgets, and more. Who it's ideal for: anyone who hates theory and wants practical experience fast. Why it stands out: you come out with not 1, not 2, but 50 portfolio projects. Length: about 20 hours, but you can pace it as 1 project per day. What you'll achieve: a strong front-end portfolio that can impress employers or freelance clients. 50 portfolio projects, best for hands-on learners. Fast skill building. Course number 4 is perfect if you want to enter the world of data and AI. Complete Machine Learning and Data Science Bootcamp. What it teaches: Python for data analysis, pandas, NumPy, visualization, machine learning, and even basic AI models. Who it's ideal for: beginners aiming for data analyst, data scientist, or ML engineer roles. Why it stands out: it mixes theory with practical exercises, quizzes, and mini projects. Length: approximately 40 hours. What you'll achieve: you'll know how to clean data, build ML models, and understand essential AI workflows. Data plus ML in one course, for future data analysts, project-based. And the last one, perfect for anyone looking at cloud computing. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate by Stefan Marek. What it teaches: AWS Fundamentals, EC2, VPCs, S3, IAM, networking, cloud architecture. Everything needed for the SAA exam. Who it's ideal for: beginners and intermediate learners aiming for high-paying cloud jobs. Why it stands out: Stefan is the top instructor for AWS on Udemy. This course is structured, clear, and extremely detailed. Length: around 27 hours. What you'll achieve: you'll be ready to take and pass the AWS Solutions Architect exam. Best AWS course, high-paying career path, updated frequently. So those are the top 5 tech courses on Udemy that can genuinely help you level up in 2026, whether you want to be a developer, data expert, cloud engineer, or just explore tech as a beginner. All course links are in the description, and if you use my link, you support the channel at no extra cost. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to follow along with the rest of our learning series.